Hello, everyone! In this video, we're going to explore how to generate AI-powered replies for emails in Grigora. AI helps craft professional responses instantly, but you control the final edit and send manually. Let's understand the process step by step. Open your inbox and select any email you want to reply to. At the bottom, click Generate AI Reply. Grigora instantly creates a customized draft based on the email content. Review and edit the generated text directly, refining wording or details as needed. Use AI Refine to regenerate in different tones, formal, casual, styles, or lengths, short, medium, long. Preview multiple versions, then manually click Send when satisfied. That's how you manually create and send AI replies in Grigora, intelligent assistants with full control. Practice editing a few to match your style perfectly. See you in the next one.